Happy holidays. I'm Reverend Maggie Alderman, Senior Minister at CCU Orlando. If you can believe it, we're already in the third week of Advent, and this week we are taking a look at our divine love, the expression as God, as the divine, right here within our being, and how we nurture that and elevate that so we bring the pure essence of love out into the world. That's particularly valuable during the holiday season, don't you think? And we do this so that we have that expression beyond the holidays. So I hope that you will join us in the sanctuary or online this Sunday at 10:30. I'll look forward to seeing you then. Merry Christmas.